Welcome to Car Injury Lawyers. Today, we'll guide you through the process of settling a car accident claim without an attorney. Let's get started. The first step after an accident is to ensure everyone is safe. Call emergency services if necessary and document the scene with photos of the vehicle damage and any injuries. These images are crucial for your claim. Next, gather information. Exchange contact and insurance details with the other driver. Note the make, model, and license plate of their vehicle and collect contact information from any witnesses. Once you're safe and have all the details, notify your insurance company, provide them with the collected information, and describe the accident accurately. Get a damage estimate from a trusted mechanic or body shop. An accurate estimate will help you understand what settlement amount is fair. With your damage estimate, negotiate with the insurance adjuster. Remember, their first offer is usually not their best. Be polite but firm in explaining why you deserve a higher settlement if their offer is too low. Keep thorough records of every conversation and document exchanged with the insurance company. Documentation will support your case if disputes arise. Once you reach an agreement, ensure you get everything in writing. Confirm the settlement terms and understand them before signing any documents. By following these steps, you can successfully settle a car accident claim without an attorney. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more valuable tips. Drive safely and see you next time.